Introducing the ABS ROG Helios, a powerful new pre-built gaming system from the PC building experts at ABS. For this new system, ABS partnered with ASUS to bring you an absolute monster of a rig with no compromises. The first thing you'll notice when looking at the ABS ROG Helios is the stunning case. With high-quality aluminum, 2 tempered glass panels, and an RGB cyberpunk-style display up front. When your internal components are this good, you want a case that looks just as impressive. Inside the ASUS case, you're greeted by a massive 360mm RGB AIO, keeping your 10th gen Intel 10900K processor cool through overclocked 4K gaming sessions and anything else you can throw at it. Thermal throttling is a thing of the past. The 10th gen chipset is powerful, and without the right motherboard, you'd be leaving a ton of performance on the table. That's why ABS paired the processor with the feature-packed ASUS ROG Maximus 12 Formula motherboard. It features Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabit networking, and 16 power stages for incredibly stable overclocking. It's built like a tank, if tanks glowed and looked like they came from the future. So even the beefiest GPUs and coolers are secure without potential damage to your motherboard. Speaking of the GPU, the ABS Helios is fitted with the ASUS ROG Strix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti 11GB. So full 4K gaming and VR will be no sweat. The card has improved thermals over other similar cards, so the cool running theme continues through here, giving you increased performance and stability when you're pushing things to the limit. Did I mention the RGB? Sure, the CPU cooler has it, as does the GPU, but because ABS wants you to have the best of the best, they're also including G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32GB DDR4 RAM that runs at 3600 MHz. The Helios is basically a concert light show in a box that also happens to run your favorite games at 4K. To hold all of these games, ABS has included a Samsung 970 EVO Plus 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. Plenty of space at blazing fast speeds will reduce your load times and make the whole system feel snappier even under demanding loads. And all of this is powered by a 750-watt 80+ gold PSU, so you'll have power to spare without the fear of the system collapsing under the energy draw. The ABS ROG Helios spares no expense, and thanks to ASUS, it is filled to the brim with cutting-edge components so you don't have to compromise on your gaming experience. Who would have thought getting this much power would be that easy? ABS by Newegg.